Hi everyone, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less, and today I wanted to bring you a quick budget-friendly tip on how to create a hot cocoa bar just in time for the new year using items from the Dollar Tree. So the first item is this printable. I got it on Pinterest and it was absolutely free. And then I also picked up these coffee mugs from the Dollar Tree. They came 4 in a pack or 5 in a pack for $1, and I thought it was a great deal, and I love the silver. They're great for kids. The next item that I picked up was, the marshmallows and the candy canes from the Dollar Tree. All of the Christmas items are 50% off, so I was able to get everything that you see here for just $6. And so the tray was from the Dollar Tree, and the bowl that's housing the candy cane marshmallows, that was also from the Dollar Tree, and all of these items were less than $6. So this would be great to do to bring in the new year with your children or your grandchildren or your nieces and nephews. If you, like me, and you love to do things with kids in your ministry, the list goes on. This is a very affordable way to do that. And you can also get the Swiss Miss hot cocoa mix from the Dollar Tree. I think it's 6 in a pack for $1. So definitely a budget-friendly project. Now, the next thing that I wanted to do, I did a New Year's Eve themed tea with my niece, and so I wanted the theme to be when the clock strikes midnight. And under each plate I had the little clock, and I used the cutlery. That was all from the Dollar Tree. The clear plates was from the Dollar Tree, and the wine glasses were also from the Dollar Tree. So you can definitely, add a lot of flavor and elegance and class and sophistication to your tablescape by using items from the Dollar Tree. And you guys know I absolutely love mixing highs and lows. So under each of the clear plates, I just cut out I guess I did like a PNG of the actual clock, and then I printed it off using cardstock, and it just turned out absolutely gorgeous. The Dollar Tree is an amazing resource for all of your party planning needs. You can definitely have a really nice event using some items from the Dollar Tree. You guys know I absolutely love mixing the highs and the lows. And, you can still get that elegant and soft and sophisticated look for just pennies on the dollar. And I was absolutely in love with this hot cocoa bar. The girls loved it. Finding these mugs at the Dollar Tree was a steal of a deal. I love the clocks that were placed under that clear plate. Those are great for weddings or events, birthday parties, retirement parties. I mean, you name it. There are so many different ways that you can use the clear plates. You can monogram them on the bottom, and therefore they will still be food safe. The wine glasses are also amazing. You can also monogram those for favors for your bridal party. Just the list goes on. The possibilities are limitless. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed me sharing with you how we are ringing in the new year and beyond. So, and tons of ideas, of course, for weddings and birthday parties. You can take the same things that you've seen here and incorporate them into whatever event you're having at home or at church or a baby shower, wedding, whatever you have going on in your life. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out my previous videos, which is the 9 things that I'm doing differently in 2019. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!